There's so much you can do with leftover Sunday roast. For example, I'm going to make delicious street tacos and they can be done within a flash. So I've preheated a pan and I'm just going to add some extra virgin olive oil, about a tablespoon. And then what I've done is shredded my leftover meat. This is roast chook and some roast beef. This can go into the pan because I'm going to twice cook it so it gets really crispy, which is perfect for these street tacos. So in with the beef. Now we'll give that a toss. And then we're going to cook that just for a few minutes until it goes really crunchy. You can already see it's starting to go golden on the outside. Now once it's at this stage, I'll add some spice. I'm using cumin. You can use some smoked paprika. It also works really nicely with this. A little pinch and some salt and some pepper. And then give that a shake to coat each individual strand of meat. Perfect. Now to assemble the street tacos. I've warmed my street tacos in the microwave for 40 seconds. That's all they need for them to be really soft. And then to make sure they go extra steamy, I like to use a clean tea towel and just wrap them up and take them to the table like this before you serve them. And to plate up, I'll take one of my tacos and place them onto a plate. I like to start with some fresh guacamole, a generous amount of that squished onto the base of the street taco. And then we'll get our beautiful crunchy mixed meat combo into the center. Smells fantastic with that cumin that's been toasted. Now some freshly chopped white onion. And for a lovely sauce to go with it, some jalapeno cream. This is just a combination of sour cream and then jarred jalapenos. They work a treat together and I've just blended it. And for a final touch, just a few sprigs of coriander over the top. Wow, that looks so delicious. This is a great way to use your leftover meats, super crunchy on the outside, wrapped up in a yummy street taco. That for me is Friday night dinner in a flash.